I just don't understand why people gotta be messing with me when I'm at a car show. Ooh, I'm playing. That's Mama's car. Where's Mama? I don't know where Mama. She's inside eating a piece of chicken. She got some chicken nuggets. Ooh, I tried to get me one. She said no and slapped my hand. Ooh, goodness gracious. Ooh wee. I still don't know how to turn that camera around. I just don't know. I just don't understand it. Ooh, can't you see that I do not understand it? Ooh, I am going to the car show. Ooh, you ever heard of Mr. Jones and the Five Penguins? Ooh.